Hi all. Next problem. Show that u equal to x square minus y is harmonic function in the complex plane and find the harmonic conjugate of the function u. In this question, two parts. First part is show that u is harmonic. First part u is show that u is harmonic. Then second part find the harmonic conjugate of u. What is the harmonic conjugate of u? Harmonic conjugate of u is v. Harmonic conjugate of v is u and u is v. First part, prove that u is harmonic. That is to show that u satisfies the Laplace equation. Listen. Show that u is harmonic. That is to show that u satisfies the Laplace equation. Laplace equation. What is the Laplace equation? uxx plus uyy equal to 0 is the Laplace equation. So first we find ux. What is ux? Differentiating u with respect to x. That is derivative of x square is 2x. Then minus y square. Minus y square is constant. Derivative of a constant function is 0. That is minus 0. Again minus y. Minus y, derivative of minus y is 0. So we get ux equal to 2x. Okay. Then uxx. Again differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating this with respect to x. 2x with respect to x. Here 2 is constant. 2 into derivative of x is 1. So 2. Here we get uxx equal to 2. Similarly, first we find uy. What is uy? Differentiating u with respect to y. Listen. Derivative of x square. Here y is constant. So x square is 0 minus y square. Derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y. Then derivative of v u with respect to y is minus 1. That is uy equal to minus 2y minus 1. Then find uyy. Again differentiating with respect to y. Here minus 2 is constant. Then derivative of y is 1. Minus derivative of 1 is 0. 1 is constant. So 0. We get uyy equal to minus 2. So we calculate uxx plus uyy. What is uxx? 2. What is uyy? It's minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. We get uxx plus uyy equal to 0. That is satisfies the Laplace equation. This is the Laplace equation. uxx plus uyy equal to 0 is the Laplace equation. So this u satisfies the Laplace equation means u is harmonic. This is the first section. Then first section over. Here we prove that u is harmonic. Next section is find the harmonic conjugate. Harmonic conjugate of u. Listen. The harmonic conjugate of u is v and the harmonic conjugate of v is u. So here we find v, harmonic conjugate of u. Listen. Here first we show that u is harmonic. From the definition of harmonic function, f of z is analytic. That is given. F of z is analytic is given and u and v satisfies Laplace equation. Therefore, u and v are harmonic. This is the definition of harmonic function. Listen, this is the definition of harmonic function. In the definition, f of z is analytic, that is given, and u and v satisfies the Laplace equation. Then u and v are said to be harmonic functions. Here we already proved u is harmonic. Means here f of z, this u satisfies the Laplace equation and f of z is analytic. From this section we get u is harmonic implies f of z is analytic. F of z is analytic means f of z, the real part and imaginary part of f of z satisfies the CR equation. F of z is analytic means, which implies u and v satisfies CR equation, Cauchy-Riemann equation. Listen, u is harmonic. We already proved harmonic implies f of z is analytic. If f of z is analytic, the real part and imaginary part satisfies the CR equation. So here we find the CR equations. Here first we find ux. What is ux? It's 2x. And uy. What is uy? 0 minus 2y minus 1. This is ux and this is vx. Here we get f of z is analytic and u and v satisfies the CR equation. So here ux equal to, we know that what is the CR equations? Ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. So from here we get vy and vx. What is vy? Vy is same. Vy equal to ux. So vy equal to 2x. Okay. Then what is vx? Vx is uy is minus vx, or vx equal to minus uy. That is vx equal to minus of this term. It's minus 2y minus 1. That is minus into minus. Here positive 2y. Then here minus into minus plus 1. So we get vy equal to 2x and vx equal to 2y. Our aim is to find the harmonic conjugate. What is the harmonic conjugate of u? It is v. Here we get vy and vx. We get vx and vy. If we integrate this vx and vy, we get the function v. So we get vy equal to 2x and vx equal to 2y plus 1. Here vy, what is vy? Derivative of v with respect to y. Here derivative of v with respect to x. From this vy and vx we get v. So v equal to integrate vy with respect to y. That is, integrate this term with respect to y, we get v. That is integral 2x dy. What is integral 2x dy? Here 2x is constant. That is 2x into integral dy. That is 2x integral dy y. So we get 2xy plus constant of integration c1. Here we get 1v. Similarly, we can find from here v equal to integral vx with respect to x. That is integral vx dx. We get another v. That is integral 2y plus 1 into dx. Here 2y plus 1, no x in this term. So 2y plus 1 is a constant. 2y plus 1 into integral dx. What is integral dx? Integral dx is x. So 2y plus 1 into x. This is another v. 2y plus 1 into x plus constant of integration c2. That is, open the bracket, we get 2yx, that is 2xy plus x plus constant of integration c2. Compare these two equations. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Compare these two. We get one common v. Listen, we write here 2xy, here 2xy. 2xy here. But we take only one 2xy. Plus, here x. Then c1 plus c2. c1 is a constant, c2 is a constant. So, we write c, the constant c. Sum of c1 plus c2 is another constant. So, write c. Okay, this is the harmonic conjugate of v. Listen, here 2xy, here 2xy, two 2xy's are here. But we write only one 2xy. I will clarify this using one example. Listen. Listen, one term is here. X square, y square. Listen, one term x square, y square. Here we differentiating this x square, y square with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Here y square is constant. Then derivative of x square is 2x. That is, we get 2x y square. Similarly, differentiating this term with respect to y. What is here? X square is constant. Then derivative of y square is 2y. That is 2. This term is 2x square y. Here 2xy square. Listen. Here the term x square y square. Here we differentiating with respect to x. We get this. Differentiating with respect to y. We get this term. Then if we integrate this with respect to x, we get the original term. Because the reverse process. Differentiation is the reverse process of integration. So, if we integrate this term, we get the original term. So, here we integrate with respect to x. Listen, integrate with respect to x. Here 2y square is constant. Integral x square by 2. That is 2 and 2 cancelled. We get x square y square. Okay. Similarly, integrating this term with respect to y. Integrate with respect to y. We get 2 x square is constant. Integral y is y square by 2. Okay. That is 2 and 2 cancel. We get x square y square. Listen. Here x square y square we get. From here we get x square y square. But original term is only one term x square y square. Because here we take the partial differentiation. Differentiating with respect to x we take y is constant. Differentiating with respect to y we take x is constant. So we get two terms from both the integration. Here x square y square. Here another x square y square. But here only one term, that is x square y square. So here we take 2xy, but the original term is only one term, that is 2xy we take. Plus x plus constant c1 and c2. Sum of two constant is another constant. So we denoted as another c, capital C. So v is 2xy plus x plus c.